Hey, we are less than a week away from the most important Apple event this year. Sorry, WWDC lovers, this is what brings cash in. As we are getting closer, more and more information is becoming available, with the likelihood we will know almost everything day before the keynote. Yet two remaining iPads, 10th generation and 2020 iPad Pro models, still remain a mystery. Will they be available on September 7th or not? However, that doesn't mean we don't have some news. Hi friends and welcome to Digitalna channel. My name is Marko, this is your dose of Apple news, leaked information, tech rumors and reviews. Make sure you subscribe, leave a comment below, hit the like button and don't forget to enable all notifications so you don't miss the next video. Since we are talking about iPads, check out these awesome iPad accessories by Moft. Get a discount via Digital Markings, the link in the description and in a pinned comment. Now let's go. September is already here and we are just counting days for the introduction of another round of Apple products. While established industry insiders and journalists are predicting there will be two events, no one was able to confirm nor deny that the last remaining iPads will not be a part of September release. I repeat, no one. This was assumed because of two reasons. The first one is there will likely be specifically Mac dedicated event, and as far as we heard, there will be not many new Macs since updated high-end MacBook Pro lineup should arrive next year. The second reason is delay of the iPad OS and Mac OS to October. As I mentioned previously, this makes sense even if it's not uncommon that new devices get introduced first with the latest version of operating system, while updates for older products catch up later. However, just yesterday it's been unveiled that Australian carrier Optus already added 2022 iPad Pro models to its internal stock system. As stated by Mac Rumors, SKUs for a space-grade 4th generation 11-inch iPad Pro with 512 gigs of storage and cellular connectivity has been added, even if officially there is no 4th generation 11-inch iPad Pro, with the latest one from 2021 being a 3rd generation edition. That's not all. Those who have ordered 11-inch iPad Pro were contacted by a customer service representative who said that 4th generation 11-inch iPad Pro was out of stock, while they could still get the 3rd generation 11-inch variant at the current time. It also seemed that Optus has listed 2022 iPad Pro models at a higher price point than 2021, with the same amount of storage. Could this be an error? What do you think? Please answer below. I don't believe so. 2022 iPad Pro lineup should feature all new M2 processor, possibly MagSafe charging capability, and even two new 4-pin smart connectors on top and on the bottom. If you haven't seen my Apple Pencil 3 video, make sure you check it out, cause this could also mean arrival of the new Pencil and some other updated Cupertino's accessories. But where does it leave us with the most popular iPad? Which successor we are looking forward to see this year too? The 10th gen renders have been leaked and it all points that there will be a redesign with sharp edges, removal of the headphone jack, USB-C while keeping traditional home button. This also sparked another question. Could this mean the end for original Apple Pencil? One more potential confirmation for arrival of 3rd generation, right? Is Apple planning to showcase iPad Pro lineup first and then, due to many changes, postpone their budget tablet for October as a special, this year's cherry on a cake? This can also happen other way around. The truth is we don't have many products for this September, so if one of the iPads comes, no reason why not to have hope for both. iPads for mainstream and those for professionals. That's all. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you subscribe, hit the thumbs up and turn on notifications. Thank you so much for watching Digitalna channel. My name is Marko, talk to you soon, have an excellent day, bye.